November, Charlie, 0 Quebec, calling CQ for Parks on the Air from Echo November 11.
Kilowatt 5, Whiskey Oscar from NC 0Q. You have Echo November 11, Park number US-5648. Go ahead.
Okay, thanks for the new read. I'm in Delta Mike 65, Delta Mike 65.
Roger the Delta Mike 65. I appreciate the contact. 73. This is NC 0Q listening for Parks on the Air from Echo November 11. Calling CQ. Hello, CQ satellite. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. NC 0Q. Calling CQ. CQ satellite and standing by. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. NC 0Q. Calling CQ sat for Parks on the Air from Echo November 11. NC 0Q. November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. Listening. Calling CQ for Parks on the Air. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. NC 0Q. Calling and listening from Echo November 11. Is this frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is NC 0Q calling and listening for Parks on the Air from Echo November 11. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. NC 0Q calling and listening from Echo November 11. Calling CQ. Hello, CQ. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. NC 0Q. Calling CQ. CQ satellite for Parks on the Air. Calling and listening from Echo November 11. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec.
This sucks. I can hear myself on the downlink bigger than Scott.
Calling CQ. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. NC 0Q. Calling CQ for Parks on the Air from Echo November 11. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec. Listening. This is November, Charlie, 0 Quebec, calling CQ for Parks on the Air from Echo November 11.
I think my battery's on the fritz. I just lost the battery, I think. Like, I got nothing.
Is that powerful? Because I have an extra battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go get it. No.
This is crazy.
Uh-oh, it came off.
Is that a spade connector?
Yep.
Frequency in use. This is November Charlie 0 Quebec with a new battery calling CQ for Parks on the Air. CQ satellite. This is November Charlie 0 Quebec. NC 0Q calling CQ satellite for Parks on the Air. This is NC 0Q calling and listening from Echo November 11.
NC-0Q from November 8, Lake Radio.
November 8, Mike Radio. I got you loud and clear, and I got you on the log. We're in Echo November 11, park number US 5648. And you were N4 Gulf Radio, correct?
November 8, Lake Radio. November 8, Lake Radio. I'm at Echo November 82, QSL.
Roger, the Echo November 82. Thanks for the call. Got you on tape and on the electronic log. This is NC0Q standing by for Parks on the Air. Kilo Delta 3, India Alpha India from NC0Q. We're at Parks number US-5648, Echo November 11, over. Kilowatt Bravo 3, India Alpha India from NC0Q. Do I have your call correct? Thanks for Maryland, and have a great weekend. This is NC0Q standing by for Parks on the Air and Echo November 11. Whiskey 7 Japan, Whiskey Charlie. Whiskey 7 Japan, Whiskey Charlie from NC0Q. We're at park number 5648, Echo November 11, over.
Okay, sounds good. I'm in Delta Nancy 06, Washington State, QSL.
Thanks for the Delta Nancy 06, Washington State. Look forward to working you again sometime. Thanks.
Okay, Tim, have fun. 783.
73, this is 0Q calling and listening from Echo November 11, Parks on the Air.
Whiskey 2, Lima Sierra.
Whiskey 2, Lima Sierra, got you loud and clear in Echo November 11, park number US-5648.
QSL, please copy Fox Nancy 31.
Thanks for Fox Nancy 31, 73.
73, my friend.
This is NC0Q calling and listening from Echo November 11 for Parks on the Air.
Alpha Echo 4, Juliet Charlie.
Alpha Echo 4, Juliet Charlie. Yeah, loud and clear in Echo November 11, US-5648, over.
QSL, I'm in Echo Mike 60.
Roger the grid, and thanks for the call. This is NC0Q calling and listening from Echo November 11 for Parks on the Air.
Kilo November 6, Sierra Juliet, Quebec.
Is that Kilo 6 again, please?
Kilo November 6, Sierra Juliet, Quebec. Question?
Yeah, KN6SJQ from NC0Q. We're at Echo November 11, park number US-5648, over.
Okay, Roger, you say November 6, please come again with your call.
My call, November, Charlie, 0, Quebec, NC, 0, Queen, over.
Okay, Roger. November Charlie 0 Queen, is that correct?
Roger.
Okay, can you please repeat your grid? Over.
Big square, Echo November 1-1, Echo November 1-1, over.
Okay, Roger that. Echo November 1-1. This is Kilo November 6, Sierra Juliet, Quebec from Delta Mike 04. Question?
Roger, the Delta Mike 04. Thank you for the contact and have a great weekend.
Thank you so much, my friend. 73.
November Charlie 0, Quebec, Kilo Charlie 1, Victor Sierra Romeo, Fox November 3-1. Okay, I got the K Charlie 1 Victor Sierra Romeo from NC 0Q. We're at Echo November 1-1, park number US-5648, over. QSL Fox November 3-1 here. Roger, the Fox November 2-1. Thanks for the grid and thanks for the contact. This is NC 0Q. Looks like we got about 25 degrees left on the bird. November Charlie 0 Quebec, calling and listening.